This one's inside the tin. Or is there something else? Oh. Nope. So what are you getting the sticks for?
When it's time to start the fire, we'll get the initial thing going, and we'll put these smaller ones on, and once they start catching, we'll put these bigger ones on, and when they catch it, we can put the bigger ones on. So we're getting this all arranged so we can make the fire later.
I see.
Preparation.
Maybe that's a preparation?
Yeah, we are preparing all this so we can get the fire.
Oh, preparation. Never knew there was a word like that.
Yeah, preparing something. You're getting ready.
Wait, what?
And I just heard a mosquito.
Oh my goodness.
I have bug spray if you need some. Now, Elijah, one of the things that was very big when I was a Boy Scout was the concept of a one-match fire.
A one-match fire?
Yeah, you could use paper or whatever to help you get it started, but you had to get it prepared enough that one match would light it.
Oh, there is some trees right there.
Because if you got stuff too big, you cannot light it with a single match.
I just saw a bug.
Yeah, I got bug spray. The next thing I'm getting when I get up there, yeah, is my backpack.
Yeah.
Right. Good point. I may light a pick coil here in a minute, though.
2 soda bottles and a toy machine. Okay, stop it, do it. I get.
Alright, now I want you to put the 3 sticks down the bottom, about like that. Okay. Now what these are for?
Looks like some kind of animal scratch.
Well, the bottom of the ground is very wet. Okay? And that's going to take, it'll draw heat away from the fire, so it'll make it harder to light. So first thing we want is to make it to where it's not so hard. Okay?
Okay.
Now the next thing we need is what we're going to start it with, our kindling. In this case we're going to use some paper. If I wad this whole thing up tight, okay, it won't work well. Because it needs oxygen too. We'll get it too tight and it won't get enough oxygen. So what we're going to do, there's 2 pages to it here. We're going to separate it. Come here, you. Oh, I was talking to paper. Okay, here. Tear this in half. Now wad that up into a ball. Like this. Okay? And take these both and set them on the sticks. Okay, now put something over it like that. Put the stick on top. Now I want you to go over there on the where we got those piles of firewood. See the real skinny stuff? Yeah, grab a small handful, not that big, a small handful. Okay, now lay them over the top of this, like in this direction. Okay. Now we can get a lot of air through there, can't we?
Yep.
Okay. You know what you get to do now? You're a little match. You know how to light a match. Light a match and then light that paper. You want to light the paper down here. Okay. Well, paper's gonna catch, maybe. Okay. Okay. Get caught. You don't need lighting yet. Okay. Now get some more of those little sticks. And carefully lay them back here.
Like this?
This one we're gonna lay across. Okay?
Okay.
Now we're gonna watch it. Okay. Here in a minute, we're gonna put bigger sticks on.
And the bigger stick?
No, here. Go ahead and put this on top. Where the fire is at.
Like this?
Yeah.
I would rather drop it.
Okay.
Oh, got my eyes.
Just smoke, Elijah.
All right. Now watch it as you see the sticks when you see the sticks burning, then we're gonna put some of those bigger ones on.
Okay. So yeah, where do the sticks are? Here are the sticks.
Okay, go ahead and get some more fuel on there.
What, more of those?
Yeah. See how those are bigger around? Get them put on
Is this enough?
for now,
Should I just drop it?
if you need to. All right. And when you see those start to burn, we'll put bigger ones on.
Yeah.
Okay?
Maybe a bit closer.
All right. Come on, kiddo.
Okay. Okay, I was sorry.
Put these on this way. Get closer. Well, you can get down here. Now, toss it. Now, get some of the big ones. And get them on top there. Now look at the others. Okay.
You guys have to build your own fire for now. Why? Because of that tape.
And that'll keep the mosquitoes down. Hey, kiddo.
Right here.
One match, you did it. Didn't
Yeah.
A one match fire.
That has never happened before. Right on the ground, far from the paper, but I was able to touch it. How did that even happen?